Hey, thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. For all my paper doll lovers, I just wanted to give a quick shout out. This mermaid design paper doll, I found this about 6 years ago on Pinterest as a freebie. The artist's name is Valerie Brinchek. So I'm not sure if you could still find this. It's very simplistic. It's black and white plain. It's just a line drawing. So the hair is just a line drawing. The face doesn't have any facial features to it. The body didn't have anything on it. Very, very, very plain and simplistic like this. So you've got a choice of a movable tail. I used the tail that didn't move. So what I did was I colored it with alcohol markers first. I used alcohol markers to make the details and color the tail in green. Then I used art glitter glue with the fine tip, and I glued in rows, a row at a time overlapping. I put these beautiful green little sequins. I took my Tombow Mono drawing pens. These are my favorite drawing pens, the Tombow Mono drawing pen. I drew her little seashells and colored them in. I drew in a face, and then I kind of laughed because she sort of looks like my Justine paper dolls. I tend to draw the same face when I do these small, tiny little faces. I colored the hair in auburn colors. I did cut and paste the hair a little bit different so it would go off to the side. I glued on a little pearl and a little pearl in between her little clamshells. I used little micro mini brads to make her movable arms. And then I wrapped the whole thing and glued it with some really pretty blue and green fiber string that I had to make her look like she's all wrapped in seaweed. So that is this girl, and I don't know if you can still find this on Pinterest, but shout out to Valerie Brinchek who created it, and this is how mine turned out. So I just thought I would show and share. So for the people who are in my paper doll Facebook group and love everything paper dolls and constantly ask, how did you do that? There's the explanation for what I did and how I created this pretty girl. So maybe you can find her and create one yourself. So I hope you're making art, making paper dolls, having fun, because art soothes the heart. So thanks for stopping by.